Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can know what would you look like when you are old using this effect on CapCut. So what you need to do first is add a photo or video of you and import it to CapCut like this. And after that, go to effects, click on the body effects, and now swipe through the category and click on the roll category here, and you'll find the age filter or effect. So click on that effect, and you can see now your photo will change into an older version of you. Just click on the check icon when you're done. You can also make some before and after, so by split the photo like this, click on the transition box and find the mix transition. So click on the overlay and use mix. Click on the check icon. So this will be the result. And guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.